Hello. I'll try to keep this video a little bit shorter, but this is a continuation of my working on the plastic bumper, and I'm zooming on some products that I'll be using today: ultimate compound, polish, and then plastics. Now, I have to tell you what I've done so far. So basically, I have washed my bumper that was conditioned. It looked pretty good, and then basically to degrease it from any sort of a waxy product that was on it. And the waxy product that was on it was just that. I mean, this is so great, and the bumper looked pretty good, but I wanted to prepare it for basically the next step. I did a simple green to remove it, and after that I was inspecting it, and to make the story short, it didn't really look too good. I did some steps to it, scrubbing, then I used tar remover and bag and remover, and that's part 2. Then I did claying. This is after claying, and I'm showing that there were some porous chips. Basically it feels sort of scratchy, you know, there are multiple, and this is how it is after claying. Now this is so clean, you won't find anything on it. I did other parts as well. To make this video not last too long, I want to show you that after the ultimate compound, I mean, it looks so much better. The compound, let's zoom on it. I don't know if you can see, but the bumper, that the big chips here, and you know, it's up to my standard that I'll live with them for some time. But look at this, again trying to zoom on it. Now look how smooth. Okay, here is this area. I mean, this is really smooth. Alright, and I'll go zoom on the other side. Now look at the roughness. Where are we here? Roughness here. I mean, you can see oh, you can see that stuff on the plastic. Okay, so this is after clay. Oh, look at this. Whoa. And now here we go from this side, zooming. Look how smooth this side is. I mean, amazing to me, because that's a huge success. And so the products that I used were, I tested plastics first, but it didn't bring much of a result, so started with the compound that I'll later use on my paint for paint correction. Ultimate polish and plastics. All these products recommended by my very dear friend Mr. Redex88, who has his own channel and is guiding me through this process. Then after that, you saw that bumper that is finished, almost finished. He recommends, and I love this, I already did it on my lights, headlights and tailgate lights, brilliant glaze. And after that I'll seal with a sealant. I'll seal it. I will also use it on my glass, because I polished all of my windows from very heavy sort of 3-year-old water stains that, you know, the glass looked pretty cool and dark, but when you look at it like me with magnifying glass, and you're not happy, right? So it will be sealed. After that, so glaze and sealant, and I should take a video of doing that. Mr. Redex88 will be happy because I'm his student. And then I'll choose which product to use on top to make some additional, you know, layer of protection. Either one of them, great products. I used Tech Wax on my windows, repels water, makes everything, you know, glossy. Now, this is my DA with a 4-inch Hexlogic pad, a little soapy water for cleanup, and I'll set it up. Just want to show you how I worked with DA. Again, don't want the video be as long as the other ones, but you know, if I don't tell you what product I used or anything like that, you know, I mean, I want my friends to be proud of me, and whoever is watching it, maybe you'll get something out of it. Alright, so getting ready. Here's driving farce. Here we go. This compound behaves slightly different on my plastic, which I did not expect it to behave like that, but I deal with it, meaning you'll see. You'll see, because it's maybe a little thicker. Now this pad has been used on the other one, so it's been primed already. I'm just putting, I'm trying to put just like, I'm saying very little, you know, very little goes a long way. That's what my friends say. And it's very hot today. It's like 88 degrees, so I'm not sure if that's why, but it sort of dries on me and behaves differently, or I don't know what's going on. But the other one, the polish, actually, the polish behaves perfect. I mean, it's just shiny, and after I work it and then I just towel it off, kind of wipe it off, it's just very nice. Now this guy, the compound will be different. Speed 1, and then I'll work on speed 3. It's really hot right now, but here we go. I'll work this area here, this kind of tougher area, not much more than that, then a little fragment, then a little fragment, then a little fragment, probably 4 fragments here, okay? I mean, if I do it, I want to do it the best I can. So, alright. Dab, dab, dab. This machine, for me, it's heavy. Looks like Porter cable, but it's kind of like a knockoff, you know, by Chicago Electric. $59. Has a speed here. Tough to switch on and off for me. I'll work it at speed 3. At 4, my plate would go too fast. I have this black line. Black line tells me how fast it's spinning. Okay, this is a dual polisher, so look it up. I mean, that saves me a lot of elbow grease, especially like today. I mean, this is really hot. Okay, here we go. You gotta know if you're working hot, dry, or whatever conditions. So speed 1. It's hard to reach, but especially from this side, perhaps. Just want you to see it. Alright. See, it's kind of going hazy here. used for it. It looks like this, but it will come off. I think because it's heavier compact, but it's one good thing about it that I hear a lot from my friend is it's not powdery. It will not, you know, like have a powdery mess. Well, definitely doesn't have powdery mess, but I do have to wipe it, and it was kind of a little tricky. But you know, when you see a good result, I mean, I will probably bring it in. I will work here a little more on this area, but here I can see there were some shady things, shady characters. It's already smoother. I mean, it's already looking like this, but this looks so much better because of the other two steps. So, so the wiping is a little bit of, don't know what the heck is going on with it, but so then the same speed, same everything, maybe a little bit faster with the plastics because everything is already so much more shiny. And I'll show you to finish off. Thanks for watching anyway. I'm going to show you that from this side maybe. Where are you, car? Here we go. This is the edge of. You see already how much better it is? Okay, so here what I'm looking like. Now I will put my fingers, and there are my fingers on the old surface here, and the new surface here. And I have to work on that part. But probably better to see it from the distance that there's more crap, so cold, up here and less. It's just basically being more polished, refined. So I'll stop at this, and again I'll follow up with white pad 4-inch. It looks like, you know, it was taking some things off, and ultimate polish and plastics. And next steps maybe another video. Thanks for watching.